how to use ChatGPT on Android for free. If you want to use ChatGPT on your Android for free, just go to your Play Store or your App Store and you go ahead and then simply search for ChatGPT app. So the ChatGPT app is itself not paid. Downloading it and using it is free. Only some exclusive features like some enhanced ChatGPT models are paid, but for most users the basic free version also works fine. So launch your ChatGPT app. If you don't have an account, just continue with Google or anything else. You can see I do not have premium, but I'm still able to chat. I can even make some, let's say, some pictures and create some image for the first few tries. Only after that the limit is going to be resetted, but again I can create some free images the next day. So there are many more features like that. You can go ahead and see I'm using the ChatGPT app for completely free. You don't necessarily have to pay it. This way you can use ChatGPT on Android for free. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.